Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I want to show you guys how to make a spinner card. Now, there are lots of different instructions on YouTube, and some of them work, some of them don't. And I have tried and failed at least 16 times making this, and then I finally ran across a tutorial by Caly Person, that is fabulous, and it worked wonders. And I remember this is the way that I learned how to do it way back in the day when I first learned, because I knew there was something special with Stampin' Up! Dimensionals, and I could not figure it out. And oh my goodness, I tried 18 million times. Now these are the old ones, and you can even kind of see that the Brad, you can see, is bumped up on his belly. I don't know if you can see that or not. I mean, it's not awful, it just doesn't look that great, and it pulls well. It just, it doesn't feel stable, but I mean, I'm gonna leave it. And then I think this one works all right too. Yeah, it works all right. I'm gonna leave it. But I can tell you, oh, and it didn't like pull all the way. Oh, there, I guess. I can tell you that these don't seem to be as easy as this one, which I haven't put a pull on yet, but, or just a, see how I put just a little pull tab on those. I haven't done that on this one yet. I literally just did it, and this one pulls so much easier, and it works so well, and it's just fun. So what I'm gonna do is show you how to do that really quickly. So you can see I have sticker backing on this from before. So this is just an image that I colored and die cut out. It can be any image that you want to spin, and it needs to be a little bit substantial. It's nice that this one is kind of wide and a little bit tall, so that works out well. And then you're going to need your base. So this happens to be an MD card that I haven't finished, and I'm going to put something on the back, and that's something that I would suggest, because as you can see the brad when you do it this way. So you do want to make sure that it's something that you can cover. You can even see where I ripped this off trying to get everything to work. It was such a nightmare, guys. But when I found this, I was so excited. So you need a piece of twine. You also need a brad. And these Stampin' Up! Dimensionals work fabulously. And it doesn't matter what color your brad is, it really makes zero difference. And the first thing you want to do is take a Stampin' Dimensional and just punch a hole in the Stampin' Dimensional right through the middle, so it looks like that. And then you can go ahead and take the top off of the dimensional, the sticky part. Actually, no, you leave the sticky, that's right, never mind, I'm teaching you wrong. You put the hole in there, and then you pull the dimensional off. And where it's sticky, you want to put the brad. So the sticky side gets the brad, and you're leaving the paper on the other side. And you want to go ahead and put your twine on here too. And I kind of tuck it underneath the brad, and then push the brad in a little further. And then you also need a hole in the card that you're going to put it in. And so with this side that's not sticky, you stick it through, so there's a barrier between the actual card and the brad, or in the dimensional. And then you open this up, and you don't want it to be super tight on there. So if it doesn't spin well, you might need to loosen up your brad a little bit. Then you just take another dimensional and you put it right on top, sandwiching in both your brad and your string. Then you can take the top off of that. So only one paper is left on here. And then you just simply put your stamped image right over the top, so it's stuck on the foam. And then you wind your string. It's getting caught on the whisker. This poor cat has been through the ringer with me. It deserves to work. I put it away for a couple of days, and then you can pull the string, and oh my gosh, it works so well. Except for now that it's stuck. Oh, just because I think my string is way too long for this. I just didn't know how long to make it. It's getting stuck underneath the Ugh. Hold on, hold on. What are you stuck on? Or maybe I'm going the wrong way. Or is there not? There it goes, okay. Yeah, I just had it, I had way too much string, but oh my gosh, it works wonderfully. I mean, if it spins 3 or 4 times, I think that's probably enough. So let me, you can even wind it by spinning this around. But so that's 5 times. Let's see how that looks. Yes, see, that's perfect. I think that's so cute. I don't know, this one keeps getting stuck. I'm telling you that, but this one keeps getting stuck on there. I don't know what I did. Hold on. Okay, it's back to its roots. Let's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. Okay, I'm super happy about this. So I'm partly doing this video for selfish reasons because I want to be able to know how to do it when I want to do it again, because these cards are so much fun and they really do add a lot to the card. I just think that they're awesome. And I had made one, and I actually even sent one to my son just recently, but I had it in my stash. I'd finished the card and just kept the card in my stash, and I wanted to make it again for these MD cards, and I could not for the life of me. And it was using acetate, using thin acetate, using thicker acetate, using long brads. Oh my goodness, it was on and on. This is the easiest way I've found, and it works the best. So yay! I hope you guys try it, and I'll do another video some other time of a card, and it'll be a little bit better. But I just wanted to get just the spinner mechanism updated so that you guys could see how to do it, and so that I could look back on it. So thanks guys, have a great day. Bye-bye.